The parent has income of $3,600 per month and $150,000 in the bank. She'd like to give it to the kids, the grandkids. And what's her best option? Give it away? What if she goes to nursing home care? Help with figuring out what's the path forward. So Medicaid has a 5-year look back. What that means is if you give assets away within 5 years of applying for Medicaid, then Medicaid's going to say, well, you gave your money away. So no, you're not going to get Medicaid now. We're going to impose what's called a penalty period or period of ineligibility. Right now, in the state of Washington, the rule is for every $11,899 you give away, you have a 1-month period of ineligibility. So, if you give away, 110,000, for example, it's about 111, it's about a 10-month period. So the general rule I say is do not give away your money unless mom's money, unless mom does it as a part of a Medicaid asset preservation strategy. We at ELG Estate Planning often will help a single person who's going into care preserve their assets. There are Medicaid programs that have no penalty for giving away money. There are other strategies that allow us to, give away money and incur a penalty period, but still protect those assets even during the penalty period. There is just absolutely no way that I can say, what is the answer to this question? What is the right plan for you? Medicaid is a pretty complex area of practice. It is something that's practiced by elder law attorneys, but not all elder law attorneys. So when you're looking to get answers to your particular questions, definitely see an elder law attorney, ask them, and do you have Medicaid expertise? Because I can tell you, as an elder law attorney for many, many years, I know that many of my colleagues don't touch Medicaid because if you're doing Medicaid, you better be all in. You have to know the rules. Nobody dabbles in Medicaid. It's just not a good idea. So when you're talking to your attorney that you're, vetting to see whether they're appropriate for you, find out, is Medicaid, a part of your practice? And if so, for example, can you tell me, are you currently doing medications and Medicaid plans? Is this something that your firm frequently does? And if you say, yeah, I've done one before, I wouldn't recommend that. Find somebody who really, really knows Medicaid, because and if you are watching this later, or we'll give you a link to our YouTube channel, there are some very good, effective strategies to preserve assets and qualify a single person for Medicaid. So it is like my favorite topic to talk about. I know we're talking about Washington's estate plan for you. If you don't have a plan, it kind of fits in because Washington's estate plan for you for Medicaid is spend it all down, which is not the plan that I would recommend.